Welcome to Adelaide, where we recognise the traditional custodians and their connection to country. The current time is just approaching 4:30. Today we're exiting through the forward and rear doors. Please follow the directions of our team, and for your safety, remember to be steady on the stairs and hold on to the handrails. If you're travelling with small children or have concerns using the stairs, please use the forward door to disembark. Before you head off, double check that you have everything with you, and be careful opening the overhead lockers just in case any luggage is moved during the flight. If your phone is within reach, you may now switch off flight mode. Any other devices need to stay switched off until inside the terminal. And a reminder that smoking and vaping is strictly prohibited on the tarmac and through our airport terminal buildings. On behalf of your Adelaide-based crew today, it's been a pleasure having you on board, and we hope you have a safe onwards journey. Thank you and good afternoon.